Hello everyone, hope you're well. Welcome to another trade breakdown, one of my favorite formats on this YouTube channel. And today we're breaking down gold trade, gold sell, which was dictated by middle time frames particularly, and of course lower and entry time frames showed good model and good entry pattern and setup. And yeah, I like this trade because it developed in a smooth way and yeah, just delivered nicely to take profit. So let's get started. So first of all, the daily here is kind of contradictive because we are definitely bullish on gold from all the way from 2022, and recently we created this up push, and then we wanted to create one more break, but gold didn't do it, and instead it started to range in inside this previous up push. And recently it started, so my main focus was this chain of demand, this local chain, sorry, of supply, and especially middle time frames. And I was looking at this lack of price action that is probably pushing the price down in my eyes, because we had these huge impulses, and yeah, we also had pullback and then inside chain in development. So this could be a potential target. So this was my main idea from the middle time frames, and this is a local redistribution here. So 1 hour is looking something like this. So we have a huge push, then we cleared these local highs and created one more push to the downside, and then started a reaction from a logical zone, more reaction, and then more local chains of supply. So this is basically what I followed. And then on 15 minutes we have this part that is pushing the price down with pretty clear bearish price action here. So we also mitigated extreme zones at these levels and created a reaction and impulse correction, impulse pattern, which is duplicating itself on several patterns. Let me check. So here we see this impulse ICI, so the same. And on 5 minutes, we have more smaller ICIs, and especially on 1 minute, this was the entry time frame. This was the pattern itself. So first of all, we have this chain, we have this local distribution here, and redistributions, as you can see here and fractally here, and then confirmed move to the downside, created a really nice impulse correction, and then it just ranged a little bit and started a move to the downside. So let's see how it all developed. So it just created new structures, no redistribution here, and only after some time it created this kind of redistribution here. So we took this low, these highs, tapped into extreme demand. Of course, this is more than expected, given the fact that we have 9 consecutive shifts of structure. So this is basically needed for the market to continue to the downside. And then we created this liquidity and just created one more impulse correction. And I expected this move to the downside. Don't remember right now how it exactly developed, but I do remember that okay, I don't remember if I had something like on NZD/USD. Oh no, so this was the tap out of the trade. This was actually a take profit. And as you can see, if you are targeting 4R, you will have a lot of times, many times, when the trade just stops near your take profit and creates this reversal, but then it just took me out at take profit and then reversed like crazy to the upside. before the news, and let's look how the price developed during the next days. And yes, it was pretty bullish, and I was really lucky to have this profit target here. But then we just took this massive liquidity here, and now we created this push to the downside. I am almost sure that now after this huge move, we'll have some correction, and then it will fall to the downside eventually. So this was my breakdown. Let me know in the comments any questions. I will be really glad to communicate and help with any concept. Thank you for being here.